Hydrocarbons can be divided into families called homologous series. The hydrocarbons obtained from the distillation of crude oil are called alkanes. The molecules of these compounds contain chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms joined together by single covalent bonds only. These molecules are said to be saturated as each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other atoms, the maximum number possible. Which of the following formulae represents that of an alkene? If fossil fuels are burned and a limited supply of oxygen, for example in a petrol engine, there is incomplete combustion. The carbon burns to form carbon monoxide. The combustion of fossil fuels produces both carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases. Carbon monoxide is odorless but is highly toxic, combining easily with hemoglobin in the blood. This greatly reduces its oxygen-carrying capacity and can lead to death. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Build-up of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can lead to global warming and its associated climatic changes. Burning fossil fuels also releases soot, carbon particles, oxides of nitrogen, from nitrogen in the air, and sulfur dioxide, from sulfur impurities in the fuel. The nitrogen and sulfur oxides dissolve in rainwater to produce acid rain. This attacks the stone on buildings and has a detrimental effect on plant and animal life. Unburned hydrocarbons and the other pollutant gases lead to the formation of photochemical smog. This can have serious consequences for people suffering with breathing difficulties.